So today I'll be showing us how to list a property on Homz.ng. I'm sure we have a browser. Open your browser and type in the domain name or the website name for Homz, which is Homz.ng. You will be redirected to the website, the landing page. On the landing page, you have to click on create an account. When you click on create an account, you'll be directed to a page where you'll be able to create an account, fill in your email address and use a strong password. A password that you can easily remember. Make sure to use a password that you will easily remember, a strong password. And I will be showing us an example of a strong password. So this is an example of a perfect and strong password. Make sure to click the checkbox below it to show that you comply with our policies and to show that you are a human. Then you click on get started. Wait for it to load. You will be sent. Now an OTP has been sent to you. Open your email and open the email that was sent to you, which contains the content of the OTP or the code that you will use to verify your email address. Now paste in the code that was sent to you and click on verify. Now your email has been verified. Then you can continue. Click on continue. Then on this screen you have to select list a property in order to enable you list a property on Homz. So you select list a property from the options that have been given. Now on this screen you fill in your name. Make sure you use the name that is on your document. Fill in your phone number and your email address. You also have to fill in your business name. Fill in your business name. Then you can add your logo. Add your business logo to verify your business, to make sure your business is an actual business and a legit business. Then you can also add a certification. So you can add your CSA certification or a membership certification you have acquired from a real estate firm. Then when you upload, you can click on upload to make sure the document is uploaded. Create an account and your account is created, and you can proceed to the dashboard. On the dashboard you will see a button that says list properties, or you can switch account. You can switch an account. You can click on list a property. So when you click on list a property, you'll be brought to this screen where you have to fill in the property details. Make sure to fill in the correct information of the property details. The listing type, make sure to fill in the listing type, the name or title of the property. Make sure to select the state in which you are listing the property from. Make sure to select the property type. Also, you can fill in the address of the property and number of rooms, number of bedrooms. Note that when you don't complete this step, you can move to the next step. Please fill in the correct information and click on next, and it will take you to the payment detail screen. On the payment detail screen, select the type of payment. Make sure to select the accurate type of payment. If it's 6 months or 1 year, you can impute the price, how much is the total fee, how much is your agency fee, and how much is the maintenance fee. So you can fill in all this information, and when you're done filling all this information, you can click on next. When you click on next, you'll be brought to the screen where you have to upload all the images of your property. The property you want to list, you'll be brought to a screen where you have to upload all the images of the property you want to list. Make sure to select a high quality picture. You can upload up to 6 pictures. Make sure to upload 6 quality pictures. You can always click on the plus icon to add new pictures. And when you're done adding the picture, make sure to click on next to take you to the next step. Here you can fill in your contact information, your phone number, your email and WhatsApp link. The WhatsApp link is to enable your potential tenants reach out to you easily on WhatsApp on one click. So if you don't know how to do that, let me quickly show you how to create a WhatsApp link. Head over to your browser or another tab, click on or search on Respond.io. Search Respond.io. Search Respond.io on Google. So when you search Respond.io, you see the link. Make sure to click on the website Respond.io, and when you're on the website, you can easily create your WhatsApp link. Just fill in your phone number. After filling in your phone number, you can add a message if you want to add a message. Then click on generate, and that's all. Then you copy the link that's generated, paste it in the WhatsApp link section, and click on proceed to list a property. Congratulations, you successfully listed or added a property. Then you can view your property. After listing your property, you can click on view property to view your property listing, and from here you can edit your property. You can edit any details you want to edit on your property. You can click to view the property also. And also you can switch accounts also. So by your left, you can see switch account, just in case you want to switch account from a property lister to a property manager or to a landlord. You can switch an account. That's that for the guide on how to list a property on Homz.